Whether it's the majesty of the Grand Canyon, the intensity of a hurricane, or the intricate beauty of a colorful butterfly, the world around us really is incredible. The craziest thing about nature is perhaps that there is always new information to learn and new sights to see. Here are some interesting facts about nature. 1. Arcadia trees can warn each other of danger. Arcadia trees, which grow all over the African savanna, have a unique defense system. When animals like antelopes start to gobble up its leaves, the tree increases tannin production to levels that are toxic to animals. 2. Owls don't have eyeballs. What they have instead are better described as eye tubes. Since they can't move these tubes back and forth, owls have developed incredible neck flexibility to be able to see the world around them. They can turn their heads a whopping 270 degrees, whereas humans can only manage about 180. 3. In space, metal can weld on its own. On Earth, you need heat to fuse metal, but in space, two pieces of the same kind of metal will fuse together with only a little pressure. The process is called cold welding, and it happens because of the lack of atmosphere. 4. There are 28 kinds of corpse flowers. You might not know about the plant genus Rafflesia, but you may have heard about the corpse flower, a rare type of jungle plant that attracts pollinating insects to its huge flowers by smelling like death and rot. 5. Baby giraffes use their butts as pillows. While adult giraffes usually sleep standing up, baby giraffes will get a bit more comfortable. They hunker down on the ground and take advantage of their extra flexible necks, twisting around to plop their noggins on their own behinds. It doesn't look especially comfortable. 6. Heat is the deadliest weather condition. Tornadoes, hurricanes, and flooding can devastate entire towns at once, but the weather condition that proves deadliest to humans is actually heat. 7. Cows kill more people than sharks. Turns out, Jaws really blew things out of proportion for sharks. According to the Center for Disease Control, sharks kill an average of 4 people per year, while cows kill an average of 22 annually. Though some are due to road accidents, 75% were premeditated attacks. 8. An extinct species of penguins was nearly 7 feet tall. The biggest penguins around nowadays are emperor penguins, measuring a respectable 4 feet in height. However, 37 million years ago, a species known as Paleodyptes klekowskii, or colossus penguins, roamed Antarctica. They weighed about 250 pounds and stood about 6 feet, 6 inches tall, which is the height of the average NBA player. 9. Goats have accents. Researchers at Queen Mary University of London found that though goats don't have their own language, they do seem able to pick up accents from one another. 10. There's a fungus that bleeds. Found all across the United States, particularly in the Pacific Northwest, the mushroom Hydnellum pecci has a pretty unmistakable appearance, particularly when it's young. This fungus exudes a thick, dark red sap across a white cap, earning it numerous nicknames, from strawberries and cream, to devil's tooth, to bleeding tooth fungus. Fortunately, neither the fungus nor the sap are poisonous, but they're both said to be inedibly bitter. So we suggest staying away.